Welcome to Hotel Insider. In this exciting series, we're guiding you through discovering the hidden gems of Parma. Italy's week's adventure promises a whirlwind tour of must-see sights and thrilling activities. Buckle up as we unveil the beauty of this charming Italian city. Stay tuned for an unforgettable journey, packed with culture, cuisine, and excitement.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
During this gastronomic tour in Parma, visitors have the opportunity to experience the rich local cuisine under the guidance of an experienced local guide. This expert shares insights into the region's culinary heritage, revealing hidden gems and insider knowledge about the area's most renowned eateries and secret spots reserved exclusively for locals. Participants will indulge in a variety of traditional dishes reflecting the Emilia-Romagna culinary tradition, including a platter featuring cured meats, Parmigiano cheese, and a glass of wine. Tortellini, egg pasta filled with various ingredients. Carciofi alla romana, cheesy quiche. Bomba di riso, rice timbale seasoned with a meat sauce. Discovering the renowned wines of the Parma Hills offers an unforgettable experience. Nestled in a picturesque location, this winery provides visitors with breathtaking views over lush vineyards that yield traditional Emilian wines. Tour commences at the vineyard, where knowledgeable guides share insights into the grape cultivation and the rich heritage of the estate. Following the vineyard exploration, guests proceed to a tasteful area where they can indulge in a sampling session, complemented by the delightful fusion of these wines with other authentic local delicacies. This comprehensive journey through the world of wine and gastronomy promises an enriching encounter with the unique charm of the Parma Hills. Upon arrival, guests may engage directly with the dairy facility for an immersive experience, beginning their journey with a first-hand interaction with a genuine Parmigiano Reggiano producer. This artisanal cheese has been meticulously crafted, according to ancient traditions dating back nearly a millennium, as pioneered by the Benedictine monks during the Middle Ages. Visitors will have the unique opportunity to observe each stage of its creation process, including the curdling, which occurs within specialized copper-heated vessels, followed by salting and the aging phase inside iconic wheel cathedrals. The tour concludes with a tasting session, where participants can indulge in a selection of the freshly produced Parmigiano Reggiano. Explore the rich history and production techniques of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese during a guided tour at a renowned cheese factory located in Parma. This iconic Italian cheese, safeguarded under EU regulations, continues to adhere to ancient traditions. Visiting the Zona Tipica regions, Parma, Reggio Emilia, Modena, and parts of Bologna and Mantua, the cheese's authenticity and quality are ensured. From the initial milking process through its intricate separation into curds and whey, each step contributes to the unique flavor profile of this cherished dairy delicacy. Explore the rich history and traditional production techniques of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese during a guided tour of a cheese factory located in Parma. Discover why this renowned cheese remains protected under EU regulations and exclusively crafted within the Zona Tipica regions of Parma, Modena, Reggio Emilia, and parts of Bologna and Mantua. Witness firsthand the meticulous process of extracting the cheese from the milk vats, followed by its transformation through cooking, separation of whey, shaping, salting, and aging in specialized rooms. Embark on a captivating journey through the heart of Italy, immersing yourself in the culinary traditions of Parmigiano Reggiano and Prosciutto di Parma. This exclusive tour offers a seamless experience, beginning at 8:30 a.m. with a guided exploration of Parmigiano Reggiano factory. Your local guide provides insightful commentary highlighting the rich history behind this iconic cheese. Subsequently, delve into the seasonings and storage facilities, where Parmigiano Reggiano undergoes its final stages of maturation. Upon conclusion of the tour, indulge in a selection of different aged Parmigiano Reggiano cheeses, paired with a delightful assortment of artisanal local products, available at the on-site store. Discover the rich history and craftsmanship behind one of Italy's most cherished culinary treasures. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Step into a traditional Parmigiano Reggiano cheese factory, where you will witness the skilled hands of the artisanal cheesemakers at work as they meticulously curate each wheel of this esteemed ingredient. As you immerse yourself in the sensory experience, you'll have the opportunity to explore the aging process firsthand. Marvel at the sheer quantity of Parmigiano Reggiano wheels stored within the facility, each testament to the centuries-old tradition that ensures its exceptional quality.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.